Let me tell you what, VEO 3.1 looks really promising, but I don't really like the nano banana thing.
People keep asking me if I use Midjourney or not. I tell them straight, Midjourney is for losers, but I only use Higgsfield.
You don't really need that program, Comfy UI or whatever it's called. Nobody needs it.
Yesterday, I saw my grandson writing an essay without using AI. God help us all.
Another night, another lonely tune under this smoky amber moon.
Well, the moment has finally arrived, guys. VEO 3.1 is here, and everything you just saw right now was generated entirely using VEO 3.1 on Higgsfield AI. I recently got early access to VEO 3.1 on Higgsfield AI, and let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, it is just outstanding. It's only been a few days since OpenAI launched Sora 2 and shocked the entire world with its incredible video making capabilities, but Google didn't back down. They came out strong with VEO 3.1. Now, the major updates include better prompt adherence, improved sound quality, and even higher quality outputs. And as you already saw, the visuals look absolutely amazing. In today's video, I'll show you just how powerful VEO 3.1 really is, and also how you can create the kind of video I showed you earlier. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. Now, as you can see, they're currently offering unlimited access to Sora 2, which is just amazing. I've already made a detailed video about that, so you can check it out if you want. They're also giving unlimited access for an entire year to Nano Banana and Seedream 4 if you're on a subscription plan. Isn't that awesome? And every now and then, they keep giving unlimited generations for Kling, Minimax, Seedace, and many more. It's really nice. Alright, now let's generate some videos using VEO 3.1 and see how good they actually are. To generate a video, click on the video option and it'll open this interface. Then I'll go to the model section and choose VEO 3.1 from here. Now let's upload our input image, and so I'll upload this one. Next, let's give it a prompt. I'll enter this prompt and simply hit generate. And here's the output.
Another night, another lonely tune under this smoky amber moon.
Wow, the lip sync is perfect. Her mouth moves exactly with the words she's singing, and no delays, no weird movements, just spot on. And the voice sounds so natural and smooth. The singing feels real, like an actual performance, doesn't it? But what really stands out is her expression. Watch her face while she sings. The emotion, the subtle movements, the way she performs. It's not just lip sync, it's actual expression and feeling. The music fits perfectly too, that smoky jazz vibe with the warm lighting and haze in the background. Everything just comes together beautifully. From one image to this full singing performance with real emotion and movement, VEO 3.1 did an amazing job here. Really solid work. Now, let's try one more. This time, let's go for something cinematic. I'll upload this image, give it this prompt, and hit generate. And here's the output. Okay, now, this is pure cinema. What makes this special are the details. You can actually hear the footsteps in the sand while the camera pulls back, and that's attention to detail right there. And the music fits the mood perfectly. That warm, peaceful vibe matching the sunset and the desert landscape. The lighting is beautiful, and the camera movement is smooth too. The way it zooms out to reveal more of the landscape while keeping the person in frame, that's cinematic storytelling. It's simple, but so well done. This is the kind of shot you'd see in a big budget film. Really impressive stuff. Let's try one more. This time I'll upload this image, write this prompt, and hit generate, and here's the output.
He will give the people of Earth hope.
Alright, now legit, this looks like a Superman movie scene. The quality is incredible, but what really sells it is the voice and delivery. The tone is serious and powerful, exactly what you'd expect from this kind of scene. And again, the lip sync is spot on. His mouth moves naturally with the words, no weird delays or glitches. This is the kind of quality that makes you forget it's AI generated. It looks and sounds like an actual movie scene. Really, really impressive work here. And now, let me show you how I made this awesome video using Seedream 4 and VEO 3.1. To make videos like this, first, you need to come up with your idea and script. I used ChatGPT to create the initial draft of my script. Next, let's generate the images for the scenes. To do that, hover over the image option and choose Seedream 4. Now, you can use any of your favorite image generators. As you can see, it has all of them, but I'll go with Seedream because honestly, nothing comes close to it in terms of quality. Next, let's give it a prompt. I'll paste this one here. By the way, I've made a Google Doc with all the prompts I used for the images, videos, and scripts. You can just comment VEO 3.1 and I'll share the guide with you. Finally, make sure to turn on the unlimited option. Otherwise, it'll deduct credits from your account. After that, simply hit generate and you're good to go. And here's the output. Wow, this looks so nice. I wanted a documentary interview style image and look at this result. It absolutely nailed it. The lighting is perfect. That soft, natural light hitting her face from the side, that's exactly how documentary interviews are lit. And the details are just too good. The wrinkles, the skin texture, the eyes, everything looks so realistic. You can see the emotion in her expression. The composition is spot on too. The angle, the blurred background, the way she's positioned, it all feels like a real documentary frame. This doesn't look AI generated at all. It looks like a screenshot from an actual documentary film. Next, all you need to do is generate all the other images for your scenes. And remember, this is completely unlimited, so don't stop until you get the perfect image. Once you're done with that, let's get back to the video generation page. Now, upload your image here, then add your prompt. I'll give a simple prompt like this. And as you can see, I've put the text I want her to say inside quotations, so make sure you do that too. Then simply hit generate. And here's the output.
You don't really need that program, Comfy UI or whatever it's called. Nobody needs it.
This looks really authentic, doesn't it? She's got opinions, she's a bit annoyed, and you can tell. That's personality right there. The way she dismisses it, the tone in her voice, that's character. What VEO 3.1 did here is create a believable human moment. Not just a face talking, but someone with attitude and presence, which was missing in VEO 3. That's hard to pull off, and they nailed it. Next, turn all your images into videos according to your script. After that, I added everything into CapCut, did a little bit of editing, and here's the final result.
Let me tell you what, VEO 3.1 looks really promising, but I don't really like the nano banana thing.
People keep asking me if I use Midjourney or not. I tell them straight, Midjourney is for losers, but I only use Higgsfield.
You don't really need that program, Comfy UI or whatever it's called. Nobody needs it.
Yesterday, I saw my grandson writing an essay without using AI. God help us all.
I don't even really care what others think. I only run DeepSeek, and I will continue to do so.
That was awesome, right? And you can do it too. And now, here's how you can also get access to VEO 3.1. Open Higgsfield, hover over the video section, and you'll see the VEO 3.1 option. Click on it and join the waitlist. And if you're lucky, you'll get early access, or you'll be notified once it's live for everyone. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.